Welcome back to the channel. I got a quick video for you guys here today on our Hummer H1. When I bought this a few weeks ago, it had floor mats on the back two seats, the front passenger seat, but it was missing the one on the driver's seat. And I looked all over and I was trying to find some reviews or photos or something on the forums, Facebook groups on different floor mat options. It looks like there's 2 or 3 main different types that are available out there, whether it's on some of the Hummer specific stores or on eBay or different sites. So I ordered 2 different sets, and let me show you the one I kept, and I'll put a link down in the description if you guys want to order the same one yourself. So front carpets, they go all the way up under there, so even if you put your foot all the way under there, you still got carpet underneath you. Fits really good and snug around there, hugs the little curves really well. Well built, it fits. And then I really liked that the carpet extended out into this area. If I'm wearing sandals, I have a habit of just taking them off and throwing them here, or my wife will put a bag right there next to the seat. So it's nice that it's not just the bare vinyl floor and there's a piece of carpeting there. So I like that about the front rugs. And then the back seat, so the previous carpet I just stuck it on top, so this is what was already in here. Let me take this out and I'll show you what the new ones look like. So the new one, it goes all the way up where you got the legs of the chairs that bolt down to the floor, and then it actually hugs around this bump where the courtesy light is, and it goes all the way there. It actually fits really good. It goes all the way up to the end of that little strip that comes on the side of the factory rug. I really like that fit. It fits really well. These old ones, maybe I'm crazy, but I went ahead and put these old ones on here thinking maybe it'll help with the sound deadening with the interior being so loud. So those went back on, but those new rugs, I really like the way they fit. Let me show you the other side. So same thing on this side. You can see fits nice and snug around that hump, goes all the way over there, fits really well. And then same thing in the front, the rug goes all the way up there. You really would never have your feet way up there, unless, I don't know, I guess maybe if you're 6'7" or something like that. I'm 6 foot and my foot usually fits right about here on the side. It's got really nice coverage, goes all the way up there, fits really well. You can see it curves out around that section, fits real snug all the way up to where the seat frame is. And on this side, it actually goes around this hump, kind of curves around right there, and we've got nice coverage on the side. So overall, really happy with it. I wish there was a logo on there, but even without a logo, it still looks very nice and clean. I like these. I'm happy with the purchase. They were actually a lot less expensive than I thought they would be. Really good price. I'll put the link down in the description. I got them off of eBay. Maybe you can get them off of different websites and such. I'll put the link down in the description for the exact store where I bought mine, if you want to get the same ones. If you've got any questions, put them down in the description below. Happy to help answer them. Oh, one more thing. It's got the little studded pieces on the back. I guess a Hummer, if you've got this vinyl type flooring, you really don't need that. I don't know if there was different options for the factory flooring on these H1s or not, but if you've got a fuzzy type of flooring, maybe the little studs will help grip onto it better. That's about it for this video. Pretty quick one. Hope you guys, ooh, where's my wife going with the dog? Where are you taking my puppy? What do you find? Found some other dog's pee-pee probably. What are you doing, puppy? All right, back to the Hummer. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful. In the meantime, I love you guys. I'll see you next time.